In this video, I will show you step by step how we can change your Steam name just in few minutes. This will be an easy tutorial for you guys, step by step. So let's get started. So what you need to do first, you need to go to your Steam account like this, open your Steam account, and you will be directly in your home page. Click over here on this name of your profile name, okay? And what you need to do next, click on view my profile, okay? So just click on view my profile and it's gonna take you to this page. What you need to do next, click over here on edit profile, okay? So just click on edit profile and it's gonna take you to this page. Scroll down, you should see over here profile name. Click on this and delete this name and put your new name that you want to use, okay? Then scroll down and click over here on save and this name will be changed, okay? That's how we can change Steam name in few seconds. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video.